Before proceeding to the video, I request you all to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon and set the notifications to all if you don't want to miss a future update. Thank you. In order to change your Google Play location, first you have to see that whether your Play Store is up to the latest version or not. If not, please update your Play Store and then we can proceed to the next step. So the next step is that you have to open Chrome and then you have to search for this website called pay.google.com. Okay, the link will be given in the description. After this step, you have to navigate to your Google account in which you want to change your Play Store location. Then you have to go to Payment Center. After that, you have to add a card. You have to select on add a card. And for adding a card now, you have to search on Google fake Visa credit cards. Look, these cards are fake and they are not valid actually. So you are doing nothing illegal here. You are just doing it for changing your address. So that's completely legal to do. And then you have to again go in your website and you have to paste the card number. Okay, and then you have to enter the month. The month here is like you have to just enter 2 digits of the year, the last 2 digits. You can't enter the complete year because you know it's obvious. And then you will be given the CVV to there, so you have to enter the CVV password. Now you have to change your location to the location you want. So I'll be changing it to, I'm looking for a country. So alright, I'll change it to Kazakhstan. So now you'll see everything resetting, so no need to worry. You have to again fill the details. You have to fill in the same details. And now as it is asking for the address, so you again have to search on Google and type in Kazakhstan fake address generator. So this is just a random address, no real person is living in that address. Alright. After entering the website of your choice, you have to click the button to generate the fake addresses, and we have generated 6 fake addresses, so you can choose any one of them. And if one doesn't work for you, you can choose the other. So I'll be choosing the first one only. After copying your address, you have to again go into your Play Store website pay.google.com and you have to paste it in there. As it is getting repetitive here, I'll fast forward this video for you. After copying all the stuff, you have to search for the city. You have to search your city on Google, like mine is Shymkent, and you have to search for its postal code. Okay, and you have to enter any of the 4 postal codes given here. After doing this much, you have to again enter the postal code and click on the submit button. After clicking on the submit button, you will encounter an error, but no need to worry. This is just an error because your card is not valid, and that's completely okay because you don't have a real card of that country, and so it's completely okay that you get this error. Just you have to see whether your address has changed or not. Alright. After doing this much, you have to just clear your Play Store memory and force stop the app. After that, select a VPN of your choice and select any country other than the country which you want to change. After this step, it will take quite a lot of time for the Play Store to open because it's the first boot, and as you have cleared all your storage and cache, so it will definitely take some time, so you have to be patient then. So friends, now you can see like my location is changed now, and you can visit all the apps which you want to visit. The top chart and trending list will also be updated, and it will be updated to the country which you choose. Like my top chart list is updated to now the Kazakh top chart list. So it's a really great trick to do. And friends, if you like this video, please share a thumbs up and share this video with your friends, and please and do let me know in the comments if you like it. Until then, peace, bye.